If you want to send a Memoji in iMessages on your iPhone, here's a simple guide to help you out. Memojis are a fun way to express yourself with custom animated characters. Here's how to send them. Solution 1. Create or customize your Memoji. Open the Messages app, start a new message, or open an existing conversation. Tap the plus icon next to the text input field. Tap More. Tap the Memoji icon. It looks like a cartoon face. Select the Memoji you want to use. You can swipe to get different Memoji. Tap Record button and your Memoji will start to record on your iPhone. This will only record for 30 seconds. If you're done, then stop it and tap the blue icon to send it. Solution 2. Send the Memoji as a sticker. Open the Messages app, start a new message, or open an existing conversation. Tap the plus icon next to the text input field. Tap the sticker. Select the Memoji you want to send. Swipe through the available stickers and tap the one you want to send. By following these steps, you should be able to send Memojis in iMessages and add fun, personal touch to your messages. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.